Hey, it's Tax Quips time from TaxMama.com. Today, TaxMama hears from several people who have questions about tax returns for entities they created but never used. This recent question from Debbie on behalf of one of her clients is far too common. Well, my friends and family, I have to tell you to stop it! Just flat out stop doing this! Why do you keep forming LLCs, partnerships, or any kind of corporation when you're not really ready to do business? Then you have these legal entities with stringent tax filing responsibilities, and you do nothing. Or you start them and operate the business for a while. Don't bother to file tax returns because you don't really know how. And you just simply flounder around trying to deal with it yourself instead of doing the logical thing, taking the whole thing to a competent tax professional. Instead, you rack up non-filing penalties like those for partnerships and S corporations. Did you know the penalty is $195 for each month or part of a month for a maximum of 12 months? If the failure continues, multiplied by the total number of persons who were partners in the partnership during any part of the partnership's tax year for which the tax return is due, if the tax return is late, and for each failure to furnish a Schedule K-1 to a partner when it's due, and each failure to include on the Schedule K-1 all the information required to be shown on the tax return, there's a $260 penalty that can be imposed for each Schedule K-1 for which a failure occurs, and that maximum penalty is $3,193,000. Wow! And let's not forget the state penalties. If you're not going to use the entity you created, or you're done with it, remember to dissolve it or shut it down. That is so important. Better yet, wait to incorporate or to set up your LLC until after you have your business plan and your financing in place. Then establish your business entity and open a separate bank account for it. Yeah, stop operating out of your own personal bank account or back pocket. Another brilliant things tax pros like me are constantly having to fix when you're audited. A lot of businesses fail because of sloppy, indifferent, and irresponsible tax practices. But the ones that succeed, those start out doing it right in the beginning. With the current economic and administration climate, it's like the Wild West. This is a great time to start a business and get rich, but you must do some smart planning and then act on your plans. Sure, we don't know what the tax climate is, but if your business depends purely on the way the tax wind blows, you won't succeed in the long run anyway. Instead, find your vertical target market, learn how to reach them and how much time and money it will take to be profitable, and lay the groundwork down properly. There are so many things people overlook that I could write a book about the things you should be doing. Heck, you know what? I did. Read it before you start your next business or to improve your current one. Small Business Taxes Made Easy will help you avoid a lot of mistakes and hundreds or thousands of dollars in penalties, and it will save you a fortune in taxes. To make comments and toss in your own ideas and suggestions, please drop into the Tax Quips forum. And remember, you can find answers to all kinds of questions about forming entities and other tax and business issues free. Where? Where else? At TaxMama.com.